What is up, guys? Blim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and as you can see by the team name, it says, yep, today it's time to release the Mega, the Giga, the Beast. So before we begin our Beastly live, guys, we are on the road to 5k. So if you are enjoying my BDSP content, head over to my channel and hit that sub button. Feel free to leave a like on the video if you enjoy the video. That's all you need to do to keep yourself updated with the heat test and the top rated BDSPOU content. Alright, so today we have a very powerful team which we are going to be using to climb the BDSPOU ladder. Without further ado, let's begin our climb. We're a very powerful team with some... Okay, we got a game versus HO, Azel's lead. Like, I straight up want to lead up with my Scarf Breloom. Yes, Scarf Breloom. And I want to like... Oh, okay, he goes to this. I don't see a switching to Bullet Seed at all. So I get my free kill. Gengar, oh my god. Cursed, oh, he gets the cursed body. Lucky, and the 2 hits as well. Okay, this is the luckiest Gengar alive on the planet. Pretty much like I can go to my Gliscor here. Goes for the Shadow Ball. Okay, yeah, I lost a lot of momentum there. Let me go to my Gigas. He goes for the Shadow Ball, doesn't affect me. So here what I can do is like, is he bombing or is he like focus blasting? Very tough turn for me. Just give him the Gliscor, I guess. Okay. Okay. Wanna U-turn? Potential rocks, I guess. Or you can roost up, I guess. He might taunt me. Alrighty, so he kills me there. Pretty much here, I can like... Throat Chop is very free. Let's go for the Throat Chop. Go for the Throat Chop here. He doesn't have a single ground type. So yeah. I wanna Throat Chop something. We are banded, Choice Banded Weavile. Throat Chop this. He goes with the Crawdon. This will take 35, I guess. 43. Oh my god, it takes a shitload of damage. I want to keep my Scarf on my Breloom. Here I can do is like, he is knocking or crab hammering. Let's go for the Throat Chop. Or yeah, we do that. Perfect. Go to the Cloy. I think I will... Okay, I know what to do here. Let's go to my Mac first. Let's Volt out. And then I shard this boy. Hope you don't have Hydro Pump or something. I swear if this Hydro Pump. They don't run Hydro Pumps. They run Icicle Spear, Rock Blast and Ice Shard. Right? Okay, he had the Hydro Pump. See, he doesn't have something. Either he doesn't have the Shard or doesn't have the Rock Blast, I guess. So I'm not sure of his set, but I think at pretty much this point of time, for the shards, perfect. It's Azel, so I think he's gonna Fire Blast here. Pretty much sag my zone. He goes for his rocks, doesn't matter. Let's go the Volt Switch. It doesn't matter this rocks. I think it's too late for him. It's way too late for him. Ice Shard is gonna sweep him. Ice Shard kills this. Ice Shard kills this. Okay, so I pretty much can go to my Breloom here. I just want to chip this for Ice Shard with the Bullet Seed. Oh, I know we are not gonna get the hits. Okay, luckily we got, thank god he's with 3 hit KO range. Perfect. This, he sends in this. Do I want to keep my Breloom? Absolutely not. Oh, and he gives me chip on the Raptor. Shut up, you dog. Oh, now when we needed the 5 hits and not the cursed body, he got... Okay. He's Choice Banded, so... I think I Psychic, Shard. Yeah, perfect. Psychic this. Psychic the Lati, then Shard. Regigigas didn't even come in. Psychic this. I think it's Specs. Scarfed, sorry. I think it's Scarfed. Drops the Draco. Can pretty much go to my Weavile here. I wanna shard this bad boy. I don't think a -2 Draco will kill me. I wanna shard this bad boy. Okay, he had to get the cursed body up. So let's see what he does here. Oh my god, the stupid dog. Goes for the T-Bolt, doesn't do much. Alrighty, we got a game versus a bulky offense team, a very bulky offense team that how do you want to lead off this game? Like, what is this rocker? Let's see if we can get a surprise kill on the Starmie or something. The Starmie. These are with the shades. Pretty much can go for the sport here. Goes to the tank. I think he's gonna go with the knockoff here. What do I want to get knocked off? What do I want to get knocked off? This dog is annoying me a lot. I think I have to get my Gliscor's orb knocked off, I guess. Yeah, I didn't have other play. Let's go for an earthquake. Yeah. Okay, let's turn. Go to my Magnezone. He goes for the roost. I want to drop this thunder on him. Gone. Gone. Yeah, gone. This is why this is my set. Blims Thunder, and I will take Magnezone. It's like an absolute monster truck. I don't see a switch into, so whenever I get this on the tank, I get a free kill, right? Pretty much can I have, let's go to my Gliscor on his potential, Magma Storm. Rocks are annoying for me, rocks are kinda annoying for me. Let's defog up on this bad boy real quick. He think he's gonna go for the water ice move. I don't mind, I can take a hit. He goes for the rain dance already. The rain dance for some reason. Let's go to my scarf. I'm pretty sure Magnezone lives like if it lives a +2 Hydro Pump or Clutch, I'm pretty sure it lives a hit from this as well. Go to you. Yeah. Pretty much I can live a hit from this. Yeah, definitely I live. And it's died. It's dead. Yeah, Manaphy said GG. We have the surf, so if I go to this, it baits in the Weavile, right? So what do I want to go to? If I go to this, it baits in the tank, right? If I go to my Lati, it baits in the Weavile. I want to bait in the Starmie. What baits in the Starmie? I think I want to go to my Breloom because it's going to bait in the Starmie. Oh yeah, why is he has a Starmie? Oh, I think he's fearing the Sash Breloom, right? Put my Gliss, I guess then. Sludge bombs me, okay. Just U-turn to my zone. Potential Giga Drain. Oh, it doesn't matter. I think it's way too late for him. Let's go to my Latios. Let's throw this surf. Starmie, a defensive Starmie. It's gonna do jack to me. Pretty much I have some switches. Let's go to my Weavile here. Recover. So he cannot sack this. He knows he cannot sack this. Still, regardless, I think I can pretty much go for the crash. Oh, the throat chop. Let's go with the throat chop. Yes, sir. Dear, pretty crap versus him because I'm reading his playstyle. Yeah, reading his playstyle. And my Breloom looks kind of useful because Force Palm has no switch-ins. Pretty much sack my Gliscor. I keep going for the earthquakes here. Pretty much sack my Gliscor. Just roost up once. Let's not give him any quarter. Let him go with the Giga Drain. Let him go with the Giga Drain. Go with the Giga Drain. I don't mind because my drop a Draco. My drop a Draco Mon is coming. Here. Drop this Specs Draco. Or he cannot sack. Oh, can I get some time to click? Oh my god. Oh my god. It took some enormous damage. Wanna save my Gigas? Do you wanna save my Gigas? Let's go to my Regigigas, I guess. Magma Storms me. Drain Punch this Heatran for some chip damage, I guess. Some chip damage because the Heatran is in range. Oh, he goes for the rocks. Nice. Okay, nice. Just bring my Lati. Yeah, you are dead. Perfect. Let's see if we can live this hit. Don't go for the SD. I'm choked. Oh no, if it does go for this, it doesn't matter because I have a faster Mach Punch Breloom. Regigigas might tank this throat chop, guys. Let's find out. Okay, he's choice banded. Proven choice banded. I can pretty much like go to my Breloom. And I can pretty much, I don't want to double here for the Force Palm. I don't want to double here because I can double on my, I don't want to like sack this. I can go to my Weavile here and throw in some moves. Yeah, let him go for the bomb and crash this bad boy. Or Brick Break. I think Brick Break is the best play, yeah. Because I knew he's gonna choke and we have the Brick Break. Yep, and that's game. He's gonna die to Draco. Let's get some chippity chip. I want a Force Palm. because it doesn't give him. Yeah, I want to force pump him. Doesn't matter. No, this is 100% psychic range, and you wanna die. GG. Perfect game. Nicely played. Regigigas showing its worth. Regigigas just destroyed the Tran. Yeah, this is gonna be a very powerful team, as I said. We have a very powerful team. Regigigas just destroyed the Heatran. Alrighty, we got a game versus. I'm pretty sure Baton Pass is not allowed. Is Baton Pass allowed? Where is the Baton Pass clause? I think Baton Pass is banned, right? I think it should be banned from BDSPOU. So, what do I want to lead off this game? Is it a Jirachi lead? It doesn't have Breloom. Let's lead off with a Breloom. Wobi lead. This is T-Wave, right? Let me just check once. I should give a comma here. Okay, so is he actually T-Waving me? Don't take any risk. Yeah, that's why. With a turn, safe turn. Okay, sets up the rain dance. I get he sets up the rain dance, but we're immune to Prankster. He might have the turn, right? I think this is the best series of play. Yeah, go to the Gliscor and go to the Gliscor and die. Oh shit! What? Like for the Manaphy? You are setting up rain dance for Jirachi Thunders. Jirachi Thunder, what? Do you have Water Pulse? Like, are you the OG Water Pulse? Let's go to my Weavile here. Sets up the sub. I think this is a Thunder Rachi, right? I'm pretty sure this is a Thunder Rachi. Do a Magnezone. Thunder, yeah. Let's Volt out. But let's go to so Volt out. Yeah, we will destroy this up because Analytic. Go to you. I want to throw this Torch Chop. It's gonna destroy the Jirachi. Almost max defense. Max defense Jirachi. Okay, no problem. He had the Water Pulse. Oh my god, I love this set. This set was back from BW. Yes, back from BW. Water Pulse. Is a 60% chance to confuse, right? Let me check once. Too much background noise, sorry for that. 30%, 20. Oh, Water Pulse is 20. Wasn't it 30, right? I literally forgot. 181. Let's see. Oh, really? Really? You wanna do that? I don't think you wanna do that. Yeah, oh my god, too much background noise. This is why you run Analytic. This is why. Because it OHKOs non-speed up Gliscors and non-invested card chomps. I'm not weak to Manaphy. Let me be very clear. I'm not weak to you. You have to literally like agility or do something. I'm not weak to you. Still, I'm not weak to you because I have a Breloom pretty much. Throat chop you. Okay. Now it's getting scary. Oh, it does shitload of damage. And we have a Choice Scarf Breloom for you. Yep, Manaphy. Yep, we did have it. We do have it. It goes to the Latias pretty much. I wanna like, I can like sack my Breloom. Let's for some chunk. Serbs, get more chunk. And you know who's coming in. You know who's coming. The Dawn is coming in. The Dawn is coming in. Oh my god. The main problem with Regigigas is doesn't get a single other move. It doesn't get any move. This is the main problem. It doesn't get a move. It doesn't get a. I mean, it doesn't get a good norm. It gets rock climb, but who runs rock climb? I'm gonna get run out. He's gonna run out of moonlights as well because the crush grip works like this. The more HP it has, yeah, the more damage it does. See, he's gonna do a lot of damage, but still, 55. How many moonlights does he have? 3. Let's avalanche him. Oh, dead. Ladio's dead. Okay, he has to run now. Regigigas destroyed him. We are the avalanche. Okay, let's GG. Yeah, it's game. We have a Magnezone, so we never lose to the club. We have a Specs Magnezone. So, but Regigigas will solo. Regigigas will end this. Yeah, 44. GG. Regigigas soloed the whole team. This is why you run Regigigas, guys. Some intricate EV Regigigas. Yeah, this a lot of. I was running like heavy slam, you know, guys. I was running heavy slam just for clips, but I thought that like, do I change the crush grip to rock climb? But the problem with rock climb is the accuracy. I can run strength also. Strength at least hits really hard. Do you get body slam? I don't think this mon gets body slam. That's the main problem. This mon gets body press, but it doesn't get body slam. Do you get body slam? See, it doesn't even get body slam. It gets this shitty move. It gets rock climb. Rock climb is 90 base power. Screw it. Let's run rock climb. Crush grip hits so hard, man. But rock climb, I see. I'm gonna miss. But still, let's use Reggie. Yeah, games are going really fast, so I think we can play a lot of more games. Okay, so we got a game versus the lead Machampion, or a lead Nape maybe. I wanna lead up with my let's lead up with the Latias. If he goes to the Polion, I can like double to my Magnezone. So let's see what he does. He's taking ages to make a lead. So what is he leading with? I wanna throw this Specs Draco on this bad boy really bad, but I won't do it. I will pretty much make a safe switch to make Gliscor and pretty much turn. Alrighty, let's go for the turn. Hope you don't have Ice Beam. Nice. Let's go to my Magnezone. Yawn. Does he have Protect? The Protect. Yawn protects Skull, Stealth Rock or something, right? Alrighty. Apparently he doesn't have. Let's go to my Gliscor and die to the ice. We got. Oh my god, we got one shot by Skull. We are in big trouble. We lose to the Nape. We have to be very careful now. We made a shit play. Shit, how do you die? Oh my god. Why? Like, what is this Yawn Empoleon? Oh man. Let's go to my Loom. Pray it's not a Scarf Nape. Don't be a Scarf Nape, please. Then we have Rock Climb, so he goes to the Gliscor. I can go for a Free Sport here. Free Sport. Is he like a max speed acrobatics Gliscor? Or does he wanna like let it fall asleep? Because if this sleep, I get in my Azu, I mean I get in my Weavile and go for a free ice move. Look at his team. This is like the only team which I've seen a million ice resist. Ice resist. Okay, let's go to my Weavile. Oh, he doesn't have a single psychic switch in. Goes to the Machampion. I want to keep this for the D-Knight because yeah, this can be very annoying. But what do I sack here? Need this in case that Azu is like, yeah, let's go to my sack the zone. Dynamic Punch. Please don't be a Focus Sash match. If your Focus Sash is gonna be a big problem. I can sack my Breloom here. Or I wanna get some. Do I wanna get some? I'm pretty sure it's a Sash Machamp, and if this is Sash, then I lose. I think it's Sash. The Bullet Seed. I think he's Sash. Okay, we break the scale. It's really nice. Break the scale. I think I can go to my Regigigas here. I'm gonna go to my Lati. Is he outraging? If he outrages, then I'll be in trouble. So I'm gonna go to my Regigigas. Best would be if he goes for DD. DD would be best. Perfect. Hit me. Hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me. Now hit me. Hit me. Oh, of course it crits me, but okay. No problem. So, let's kill this D-Knight off. Is he Yache? Okay, no problem. No problem, no problem. I think we can pretty much manage. He's Yache, right? That. Ah, man, that crit sucked on my Gigas. My Gigas would have lived. You had a lot of HP. Let's go to my Breloom. Force Palm. I think I have to pray for him to hit. Hit. Perfect. Nice. Okay, we got that. We got that out of the way. I have to go for the psychic, but I can't psychic sweep him. I cannot psychic sweep him. Absolutely cannot psychic sweep him because, like, yeah, he has a sash. Like, if he goes to the Machamp, okay, he, like, yeah, literally have to like pray for full paras here. Let's see if we can get the psychic. This dies. That's a sash Machamp. That's oh yeah, hell yeah. Do you get knockoff? Do you get knockoff? Okay, I think we tank a bullet punch. Are you a scarf nape? Yeah, we tank this. Is it gonna be? Oh, yeah, Mark Punch. Yeah, this is over. We lose to Mark Punch. Yeah, that crit. Oh, wait. One. No. He is literally. I think he has Mark Punch. 100% he has Mark Punch. What the hell? Oh my god, we did it! How did this happen? Oh my god! The perfect game plan! All planned! How did this happen? I can't believe this! I gave up all hope. I knew. Oh, every damn day. Again. 2% HP Latios. Every day we clutch. Every day. Oh my god. This game was just insane. Oh, way too overheated. Way too heated. Oh my god. What just happened right now? Okay, I even forgot to check the sweep. He's still there. He can't believe he lost. Let's see. Yeah, here. Yeah. Para, Force Pump Para. He was a slow fat D-Knight. Yeah. Now he goes to the Azu. He made the perfect plays. But yeah, the mistake which he did was to let his Gliscor fall asleep. And I forgot Machamp. Yeah, Azu died to one hit. This Mon is going home. This Mon is literally going home. Yeah, Machamp. I knew it was Sash. I knew. If it didn't have the Sash, we 100% won. Like this, what was this Infernape? The biggest question is, what was this Infernape without Mark Punch? Yeah, we leave the Bullet Punch to 2 HP. Because you're not Guts, you're Sash. Machamp is weak. Gliscor got destroyed. A lot of things had to go in our way. We had to leave this Ice Punch into Bullet Punch, which Latios lived. We got the 2-turn sleep. D-Knight had to hit himself, and then yeah, the Infernape didn't have Mark Punch. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, so Torkoal lead. I can do one thing. I don't see a ground tablet. Let's lead up with my zone. On the oh shit, lead. Let's go to my Gliscor, I guess. Choice banded Flamelets already. Can pretty much U-turn. Yeah, pretty much U-turn. I don't need my Gliscor this time. Gliscor is doing nothing. Oh, especially when it does plays like this. Do I need HP on my zone? I do kind of need HP on the zone for that Empo. For the Empo. I can go to my Regigigas and pick this off. Let's do that if he stays in. Yes, perfect. Let's get an easy kill with Regigigas. This didn't matter. We are max attack, adamant nature. We are 460 attack. This didn't matter at all. He goes to the nip, which I can protect scout once. He goes for the U-turn. He CCs me already. Gonna CC my Giga. You can CC my Gliscor. Wanna boost up once in case. Keep it healthy for the nip. Zap doesn't get any move, so he has to take turn here. Literally has to turn here. Or he goes to this. Yes, sir. No. Now I can pretty much go to my Latios and double to my zone, but he might stay in and sack this. So yeah, this is why. Yeah, this is why he might stay in and sack this. You have to read. He goes to the Sar. He goes to the Sar. Pretty much my Regigigas can tank a hit, I'm assuming. Growth. Let's. Yeah, I think. Let's see if you can tank. Or if he like scouts my protect and goes for one more growth and eats my avalanche. Yes, sir. Oh, he does a lot. Okay, he's in range. He's a bulky fat Veena. Bulky fat Veena. So let's protect once. Giga drains me. Avalanche. Oh, Reggie doesn't even die. Now he's gonna. Oh my god, Reggie doesn't even die. If Reggie can pull this to protect off, he's doomed. Pull this off. Perfect. 263. But I think we're slower, right? I think we're slower than this. Unless he's running. Okay. Now we got it going. Let's waste one. Go for the turn. Alrighty. Do I drain or do I avalanche? I think he's gonna go to the zap, right? Let's avalanche him. Is he going to the Polion and giving me the Polion? Yes, sir! Ha! Is this... What is this? Zap. Like, it took like 0 damage. Let's protect once. Oh, he ran. Yeah, he ran. Reggie was too hard for him. He ran for his life. Oh my god. Reggie went stupid on the Venusaur. Reggie is doing so much work. Oh my god. Reggie, I knew the day will come and Regigigas will have his meta. This is Regigigas' meta because all mons are fat walkie teams and Regigigas just feast upon these teams. Regigigas and like yesterday, Joey demonstrated slacking. Slacking is also one which is gonna feast on these teams. Okay, let's see if we can get the 3 hits. I don't think we got the 3 hits. I think we got 2. And perfect, yeah, perfect. Okay, now I kinda lose. Ah, no. Chop, always chop. Always chop. Come on. He's gonna predict my zone and go to the Azel. I'm gonna chop again. Shouldn't predict versus these guys. I really shouldn't predict. Still I do. Still I make stupid plays and I lose the game. He's cheating me right now. Yeah, he makes plays like this and I shit on and I get shitted on. Now he goes to the Gator and he ends my life. Yeah, pretty much. Long story short. Go to the Gigas now. Okay, goes shits up. Don't know how much I agree with this. Let's drain punch. Okay. We got our act together. We will get our act together. Perfect. Protect. Is this like choice specs? Perfect. You have choice specs, right? Stop climb. No, these are not choice specs. Perfect. Okay. We are getting somewhere now. Okay, we got our act together. We are getting somewhere. Regigigas got his act together. Now we are getting somewhere. Can we do it? Sorry. Okay. Let's see. It's hell not over. I know I lose. Okay. I'm gonna drain punch on you. Let's drain punch and do some good damage. Alrighty. Chunk the clef. Protect. Now we have rock climb. We don't have what to say. We don't have that crush grip. Shoot. I wanna keep my actor. Pretty much like I wanna defog this rocks away. More from the moon blast. Roost once. In case he doesn't, yeah. Come on, dude. Perfect. Defog. Roost. Or yeah, there's a U-turn. And he had to get the drop. Regigigas was going stupid on him. I know I'm going to lose to the Caesar if I give him this. Oh, it does a jack load of damage. Oh my god. It did so much damage. It gives me the clef. Okay. We are getting somewhere. Regigigas, the goat. Special attack drop, right? Okay. So here. What I do. Okay, I lost to the alligator. Again. I think I have to go for the... I can't even go for the analytic hit. Let's see, I hope he's SD. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's all or nothing, up to Reggie. So here I think I pretty much sag my Gliss. Yeah, I think I want to chunk this. I'm gonna chunk this gator. Yes sir, waterfalls me. Protect. Oh, okay, Reggie, can Reggie do this? Confused. Oh no. Yeah, I lost. Okay. Oh, Reggie almost did it, guys. Reggie almost did it. Oh, Reggie went full the double protects. Reggie triple. Reggie tried, guys. Reggie tried his best. Yeah. Reggie tried his best. Can't even blame Reggie. This game. Yeah. Reggie tried his... Regigigas is doing... I can't believe Regigigas is doing so much work. I can't believe... I'm so happy for today's live. Regigigas is doing an insane amount of work. Let's get the next game. So high ladder. Regigigas is doing so much work. Yeah. I am so happy. Like this Mon. Yeah, this Mon really deserves his place. I think we lost in the first round. That's some bulky Azel with some HPEVs as well. I don't know what Azel was that. Yeah. And Ian may start bleeding. Alrighty, we got a game versus this guy, so I want to lead off with my Breloom. I want to force palm him. Let's see what he leads off with. Reggie is doing so much work. Reggie, oh my god, I can't believe this is Regigigas showcase and Reggie. Force palm him. Perfect. We have choice carp, so I don't need HP on my Loom. Defensive Salamence. Do you have the Hydro Pump? He's EVLA Salamence. Do you have the Hydro Pump? You don't get any ice move because you're not D-Knight. He's a max HP, max defense Salamence. Okay, no problem. Go to the Shidzer or go to the Donphan and eat a... Go to the Donphan. Go to the Shidzer. I don't think this will lose... Okay, they did 10. Okay, I can pretty much go to my Latios. And I can throw this T-Bolt on the Donphan. I know this is a shit play. Still I clicked it. I'm not clicking back. I know this is my win con. But yeah, we do it. Yeah, I know this is my win con. I knew this is my win con, but still I did it. I'll go to my Gliss. Goes for the turn. To his Weave, I guess. Don't get me wrong, we don't have a switch into Weave. But still, I think, yeah, I have a switch in. I have. Why does he go to the Salamence? Defensive DD Mens. No, I disagree with this set. Because I have this and I can pretty much Hmm. I want to double to my zone so bad, but I think he must be desperate and he's gonna stay in. I think he's desperate now. I think he's desperate now. Yeah, I thought so. He's desperate. I told he's gonna stay in. Oh my god. Yep. He got salty and he left. He had had too much. When he saw someone T-bolted his Dawn fan with their win con, Latios is my win con, and I T-bolted his Dawn fan with my win con, and then he decided, yeah, he's not playing some standard guy. He decided he's playing some insane lunatic, and this is why he left. But Regigigas is so good, man. Regigigas is so good. Okay, let's get. Did he return? No, he's not returning. Let me tell you, he's not returning. Oh my god, Regigigas is doing so. I'm in love. I think I might use Regigigas in some tournaments and stuff. Okay, we got a suspect test guy. I don't think the Sash Loom because he has Sand Tower. It's a. It might be a what to say. It might be a choice scarf Rotom because all Rotoms are scarf nowadays, abusing tricks. Let's read off with my Breloom on his potential Breloom. Palm. I wanna palm you. Let's palm this boy. I don't have a Gengar switch in, by the way, because my Gliscor is a fist-step Gliscor. But I have a Gengar switch in. He marks me. Perfect. Go to my Glisclis. He can't move. His turn. Or I can't even Earthquake here. This looks like Bandit, right? What is... Oh no, he's not Bandit. Shit. We're in trouble right now. If I sack my Loom, I kinda lose to the T-Tar. Can't sack my Loom. Latios is absolutely useless. Oh, perfect. This is better. Let's go to my Gliscor. I don't want to get my Lati chipped for any reason. I don't want to get my Lati chipped. Yeah, he left. I knew he was gonna leave. I knew he was gonna get desperate. I love this team. This team I made so quickly. I didn't even get time to test, but I love this team. This team synergy is so... Yeah, you don't have a lot of switch-ins. But this team, I mean, this offensive, kind of balanced offensive kind of feeling it gives is really nice. Yeah, let's turn on him. He gets paralyzed 3 turns and he is already getting salty. I got paralyzed 7 turns in a row with my Celebi. Yeah. 7 turns, back to back 7 turns. Para, full para 7 turns in a row with my Celebi. And yeah. And I lost that game because he boosted up to Eternamax with the Terrakion and I lost. Now, let's board him. Perfect. Go to my Glisclis or Weave. Soy Specs, okay, no problem. Pretty much go to you. I want to throw this Analytic Boosted Flash Cannon on the T-Tar, which is gonna drop. Almost died. It's a Speed F Tar, I guess. Gone. Destroyed. Okay, he goes to the Tom. Go to my Glisclis and let's scout for the set. Hydro Pump. Okay. Hydro Pumps me, right? I don't have a switch into this at all. Pretty much I can go for the turn. Sack my Gliscor. He's a slow Tom, not a Rotom. He's a slow Tom. Go to my Lati. Hydro Pumps me. Wanna throw this. Why don't I drop a Draco? Why don't I drop a Draco and kill you off? Why don't I drop a Draco, as I said? Let's go to my Glisclis. Goes to the... He might have the... This is a Hex. You have Hex, bruh. Shadow Ball doesn't affect me. So I wanna go for the... Avalanche on the Chomper. Yes, sir. Let's go for the Avalanche again. Choice Bandit or Life Orb? Yeah. Absolutely ate it up. Okay, we lost to the Brick Scissor. Yeah, we lost to this. Choice Bandit, Brick Break, we lost. Or we can, I think we might win. You're dead. Is he SD? He's Bandit, right? 28, okay. Yeah, we are defensive. I want to end this game. Wait. I want to end this game with my gig. Protect. Drain Punch. Oh, it does a lot of damage, but still. 20, 27, 33. Okay. Protect for 39. 39. Oh, okay. Okay. I want to have the last hit with my Gigas. I think I sack my Loom is faster than this. Let's sack my Latios. Yeah. 39. 45. Protect. 45. How much was this earthquake from my Glizgliz doing to this? 39. Oh my god. Like, do I have to, like, what do I do? How do I mean, Mark will kill this, right? Mark, Gliscor is 226 attack, 359. Mark should kill this, right? I think Mark kills this, but what do I do here? How do I get my Regigigas win? Let me think. Earthquake will do. How much does Mark do? Is Earthquake base 100, right? 100 base 100 base power. This is 60 base power. 359 attack, 226. I need some chip with my or sack my Gliscor. 32. Turn. Okay. No. Mark kills this. I think Mark will kill this. Yes, Mark kills this. GG. We hacked him, but yeah. Regigigas absolutely destroyed him. So such a good one. So I think we're just out of time. We have recorded a lot of games today. Alright, so 43. Okay, this is gonna be it for today, guys. So we have just showed how good this Mon Regigigas is. This one, yeah, with some correct TVs, which I will share the team with you guys, with some correct TVs, with some correct sets. Yeah, this one just rampages through those fat and bulky teams, and its move pool is really nice, except his stab move. Its stab move is not nice, but it gets a lot of moves. It gets heavy slam, it gets drain punch, it gets earthquake, it gets it gets iron head, it gets body press if you want to run that. Yeah, it gets a lot of. Let's have a quick look at this move pool. And this Mon just feeds on those fat teams, especially on those fat teams. Unaware Clef just gets destroyed by heavy sniff. Even Rock Climb does a shitload to Unaware Clef because look at his attack stat. 460 attack, and it's super fat. Look at his defenses and HP. 110 across the board. It's not dying. It solos Clef, and look, it has hammer arm, it has heavy slam, it has knockoff. Oh my god, it gets knockoff. One of the few monsters it has rock slide, stone edge. Yeah, it has Zen headbutt for the poison types. Earthquake, it gets earthquake, and avalanche is such a gift for this one. Avalanche is a gift for this one. Avalanche just destroyed. It has aerial if you want to run it for billions and stuff. Yeah, because it leaves a Mark Punch for days. Yeah, it has payback if you want that strong hit. Yeah, you can also run, like, I was thinking of running Stomp. It has a 30% chance to flinch. Stomp can win you games. I was thinking of running Stomp, but it has even Rock Tomb. You want to run it. Yeah, it has a very wide move pool. You can run anything. It can run anything. Such a good one, and today we used it. Just mashed teams across the board. This is gonna be it for today, guys. Our Regigigas live, and most importantly, guys, stay safe. Guys, bye bye.